Welcome. So in this session, we'll focus on some of the most important topics for your UGC psychology examination. Now, the very first topic is experimental design. Under experimental designs, in-group, out-group models are really important topic. Then factorial design is another important topic. Hypothesis testing, the types of error, type 1, type 2 error, alpha, beta as it is also called as, p-value, z-score are some of the important topics, and then power analysis, of course. Parametric, non-parametric test in which we focus on t-test, ANOVA, Mene-Whitney U-test, Crucial-Wallis test are some of the important tests which are to be mentioned. The comprehensive details are available in the lecture series. Then qualitative research. Under qualitative research, grounded theory, phenomenology, ethnography are some of the really important topics. Test construction, the item analysis, validity, reliability, and usability of the test, the difficulty and the discrimination index are very, very important. The next, as already said, reliability and validity. So test, retest, split half are some of the important ones, and then Cronbach alpha really important, content and construct validity. Talking about standard scores, calculation of Z score and the T scores, percentile scores again important. From the brain section, neurons, neurotransmitters, GABA, dopamine, serotonin, action potential, very, very important. The mechanism of action potential must question every time, so cover that carefully. Under the brain anatomy, the limbic system, the prefrontal cortex, hippocampus, amygdala, cerebral cortex, then we talk about the axis in the stress, so HPA axis becomes important. Learning theories, so learning theories, classical, operant, Pavlov's experiment, Skinner's experiment, Bandura's experiment, social learning theory by Bandura. So those are some of the really, really important and must to cover topics for your upcoming examination. In the next series, we'll talk about further important topics for your UGC psychology, and of course, if you want to go through the details for those, the postal material link is there in the description. Thank you.